So thanks for watching my video. Today we're going to do a walk around of a 2006 Yamaha R1. This bike is actually pretty nice. There are a few things that need to be taken care of. We're going to replace the brake pads with EBC HH pads. The fluid's the wrong color, so we're going to replace the fluid with the proper color fluid, new fluid. Brake lines are going to get replaced with red Galford braided brake lines. The foot peg is black on the right and it's silver on the left, so that needs to be addressed. Front brake lines are going to get red braided lines. We're going to check to make sure that the fork seals aren't leaking. They look pretty good. But you see the front brake fluid is dark brown. That should be a clear honey yellow color and should be clean, so we'll replace that. The ball bearings in the steering are going to get replaced by tapered roller bearings. We'll do the heated grips. One of these mirrors is broke. We'll see if we can address that. The tires are pretty worn, so we're going to put a new set of Michelin's front and rear on this thing. Again, brake lines are going to get replaced, and EBC HH are going to be put on up front. Bike looks pretty good overall. It is low mileage. It's just been dropped, lightly dropped on the left and the right. The chain and sprockets are all getting replaced, so I piece match them to keep costs down. I have a JT front sprocket, a steel Vortex sprocket, and a 530 chain coming. I do like 530. I'm going to keep it at the stock gearing. 530 chain lasts longer. There's no reason that you need to be dropping a couple ounces of weight by putting a 525 or a 520 chain onto an R1. Your goal should be making the chain and sprockets last longer, not wear out faster. But as you can see, this is a pretty nice bike. It just needs some minor little help, little cosmetic things here and there. But once we get this bike done, this will be a showroom quality R1, just like some of the other bikes that I've done. Please stay tuned and watch some of my other R1 videos coming up.